In this video, we trail ride to the Caja del Rio just west of Santa Fe for a gourmet picnic. We're here at camp in the Caja del Rio, just west of Santa Fe. It's a nice short drive from Santa Fe. What we're doing right now, it's not quite dinner time, but we're feeling pretty hungry, is I have the cast iron skillet on the fire, getting nice and warm, and we're gonna make some raclette cheese. So, if you don't know what raclette cheese is, it's a cheese that traditionally, I think it's French, or maybe Swiss, traditionally you would put it on a block next to your fireplace after the block became really warm, and you would let it, and the part that was closest to the fire would melt, and you would slice it off and put it on a piece of bread, and then you would just do that until you had no more cheese. So we're gonna do it a little bit differently than that, since there's really no good raclette rocks around here. So we've got some bread, we've got some cheese, we're gonna have some food. The bread, cheese, that's good. Here we're making Drago's oysters. I'll link the recipe below, but it's fairly simple. Fill oysters on the half shell with herbed butter, place on the exposed coals, and cook until desired doneness, about 5 minutes. Don't forget to top with Parmesan cheese. If you're wondering where we found oysters in New Mexico, check Whole Foods. You can usually get them for $1 on Fridays. For our third course, we took the same herbed butter and cooked some mini potatoes in it, followed up with some asparagus.
Cook the potatoes until they're almost done, then add the asparagus for another 10 minutes or so.
It's a lot of asparagus. So there's a lot of asparagus. I'm starting to wonder, did we pack any to-go boxes? We better eat all this.
Don't forget to add a hefty squeeze of lemon.